What's up, guys? So it is Saturday and this is when we are starting off the vlog, because to be fair, my week's just been pretty busy with clients and everything like that, and nothing's really like kind of changed. But out of London, down at my girlfriend's parents' place again in Brighton, so we're about to cook a nice little bit of a feast. So actually it's American themed, so that's, I don't know, we're doing this thing like every second week that we're gonna try like cook different country food. So tonight we're gonna do it more than once, but tonight we're just doing American, so we're just doing like hot dogs and milkshakes, and we're not really thinking overly too into it. So yeah, but that's happening, so let's get to it. What's up, guys? So just finished the dinner. I actually already filmed this, but then someone tackled me to the ground. It was actually Mrs. But yeah, just finished our dinner. It was real nice. Last time cooking it, so we're about to chill for a little bit, maybe have some dessert, and then we're gonna whoop ass in Uno and teach this guy a little bit of a lesson. I'm gonna destroy him. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday evening too. So let's get to it, eh? So the question that I got asked during the week by Dean, and that I've been now like asking Amy and her family, is like, so I'm gonna ask it to you guys as well. If you could only have or feel like two emotions for the rest of your life, so only those two emotions, what ones would you choose? I personally chose I think it was like love, and then let me start again. So you can only choose two emotions, one like positive emotion and then one negative emotion. So for example, I chose my positive, it was like love, and then for my negative it was like sad. So, you know, like sad could be like, you know, depression, anxiety, stuff like that, like anger, whatever, like negative more emotions. Then positive, you know, like happy, excited, fun, da da da. So what do you think you guys would choose? Think about it. Sunday, guys, and got to get a video done, so doing a lookbook, a cropped pants lookbook. So that's what we're going to start filming now. So I'll show you guys a little bit of a preview for outfits, and I'll show you one of them now. What's up? Hair's a mess, but filming is all done. Whew. So that'll be coming to you guys this week. Got to charge this camera up now. So this is about to die. But for the rest of the day, honestly, all we've got plans, I think we might be going to Brighton and trying to get Amy a new bag for work. Also look around a few stores for myself. And then we got a Sunday roast with her family. So should be good. So let's see where it takes us.
Have you got cheese in yours as well?
Yes, I have cheese in mine as well. Hey guys, so that whole plan of going out and being active and, you know, just like living, did not really work. We have just made some pretty epic, out of breath again, walking upstairs, pretty epic like chicken sandwiches and everything.
They're more than a chicken sandwich.
Okay, it's more than a chicken sandwich. Look at this one. Mad. But yeah, Friends has gotten the best of us, so, you know, I was telling you guys, oh, it's cool to watch Friends again. Don't do it because there's 7 seasons and like 25 episodes per season, and do the math. So, oh, excuse me, no life pretty much now. Film the video, eat this, watch Friends, and then potentially go out and actually be a human, but we will see. So, in the next clip, I guess you'll see if I did be a human. What's up guys? So I'm now at the station because I've got to go back to London, got to go back to my place and get ready for a week. So all by my lonesome. Should get in about 9:30 p.m. So train back, it'll be cool because then this time I can edit and everything like that. But it's been a pretty nice weekend. So this week I kind of didn't show you guys everything during the week just because, like I said, it was really busy with clients and things like that, so it wasn't too much different to show you. And again, it was just enjoying the weekend. Got filming done for a lookbook for you guys. Cool little thing is that pretty much happening on Wednesday as well is that I'm actually lucky enough to meet David Beckham, so hopefully this all still happens, but yeah, lucky enough to meet David Beckham and to look at their his new line, House 99. So it's his own like grooming line and things like that, so that should be happening on Wednesday. So that's pretty cool. Always looked up to that guy from when he started with like football, and then just as like a male icon in the whole fashion kind of industry, and just, you know, men, you know, he's everyone looks up to David Beckham, like as far as his style, his grooming, everything like that. So yeah, that should be a pretty cool experience. And what's cool as well is that I will bring you guys along. So I'm gonna get out my laptop, start doing some editing, so we'll see where it takes us next. So when you get all set to do a lot of work on the train, edit, get everything done, you know, whole train carriage, everything to myself, perfect time, you know, about an hour and a half of work to be able to get done, and you forget the damn USB cord from your camera to your laptop. So looks like it'll be time to watch YouTube. So yeah, fun times, proactive. But you guys, typically, normally, when you want to work on building something else other than the job that you're currently doing, you've almost got to be working 2 jobs, and that's the way you got to look at it. It's like you don't have time to chill. You got to earn your time to chill and things like that. So that's what I'm starting to learn. That's why I'm starting to balance a lot more. So that's my little bit of advice for you guys. But now, like, I'll probably edit some photos and stuff, like I can still be productive in that sense, but there's not actually too much I can do on my laptop now without all this footage. So I might use this now. Finally, it's time to chill. So just like that, we are moving. So I will see you guys back in my place. So guys, while I got some time to kill, I thought I'd show you the little outfit that I got on today. I got this new piece from ASOS. It's like an old school kind of like windbreaker, like a real old school. So, you know, nice and woolly here, that kind of retro fit, things like that. Of course, fisherman's beanies, glasses, and then when we come on down, Adidas, cropped with Vans. So from real far away, that's the outfit. So, trained to myself, showed you my outfit. I think it's time we just go on.